guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in what looks like to be the jungle. We rented the coolest freaking villa in Turks and Caicos. I want to give you guys a full house tour of this place. It's insane. So if that's something you guys want to see, then just keep watching. All right, so we're gonna start on the roof. So there is this amazing roof terrace and we are midday, so it's pretty bright out right now and the view is spectacular. So when you come up to this, I feel like cocktail area, you can see the ocean and the color of the water here is just insane. I feel like just sitting up here and having your morning coffee or just a cocktail at the end of the day is just everything. And then there's this sun shelter above, so you're not fully in the sun. And there's this little couch area, some cushions and a little table. And you can see like the back view is really pretty as well. You literally feel like you're in the jungle. So from up here, I will show you what the house looks like. So you can kind of see down there. There's a private pool area down there, which I'm gonna take you to, and then it keeps going. You see that little girl walking over there? That's Emily. The house goes all the way down there. So let's go back downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys our bedroom. There's 4 bedrooms in this house. So right underneath of the roof terrace is one of the bedrooms. I wouldn't say that there's a main bedroom, a master bedroom. They're all really big. They all have their own bathtub and full bathroom area with a shower and everything. So this is where Andre and I are staying. So king bed and then its own little terrace with a little chair out there. You can actually like open up these shears. So beautiful. And then this path actually walks right to the beach or to the pool area. Here is the ensuite. And so same thing in here, you have total privacy. Like you're just surrounded by greenery. So I could open up all these shears and it would still be perfect. And then you've got a little closet space. So I hung up all of my maxi dresses in here. This whole thing is a closet, so it's huge. And then the middle portion has shelving in it, which I will show you. And then there's another closet. The 3rd closet space here. So you've got a ton of space and then a full bathtub, which I appreciate, a little chair to sit. So I just use that for my makeup stuff. And you have a bidet even, like really, and then a huge shower, which is beautiful. So coming back out this way, this is where you take the stairs to go up. So you're really at one end of the house over there. There's another bedroom here. This is the great big hallway and then still like super private with all the greenery. It's so freaking cool. And the ceiling and the walls are all like this like concrete wood looking Jurassic Park type of situation. So freaking cool. So this is the next bedroom. Same thing as the other one. Little private terrace area looking out into the very lush tropical greenery, which I love. And there's a little table and a seating area. Same thing, king size bed. Every single room, by the way, has a TV. You can tell we're all influencers. We all have our cameras, our tripods. So I'm here with my husband and all of our coaches. So this was a retreat that we took them on. This is like a little gift to them. So in here, you can see they have a closet too, and then a shower just like ours, and then a big bathtub and an area to get ready. And then same thing, like super private with the greenery and the shears. Oh, and those are I got these little gifts for my coaches. I got them each a little beach bag that says their names on it. So cute. Okay, so let's go check out the kitchen now. They're all chilling by the pool. So this is like a little hallway decoration area. And there's an extra powder room in here, which is super cute. I'll turn the lights on. You can see like the marble sink. Everything is like ultra modern. And everything's very spacious, really high ceilings, but feels so cozy. As we were just saying by the pool today, we were like, this feels like at home. And everything's very quiet too. So they're just hanging out there. Also, there's this little desk area where you can kind of set up with like a computer and everything, or you can do that at the kitchen table, but I thought this was a super cute little spot. And the artwork in this house is stunning. I know detail, but everything is in the details. So this is the main living space. So they've got a bunch of towels for us. Like we didn't have to bring anything. They had soap and towels and everything that we would need, just like we're at home. This place at night is stunning. And I'll take you guys outside in a second. So this great big door takes you outside to the rest of the villa. So there's more. There's 4 full bedrooms. So there's TV, seated area. We were sitting in here yesterday having cocktails, and then we all kind of gathered by the table over here and had dinner. And I'll take you guys out back here. So this is part of it too, which I think is so freaking cool. So out here, you've got like a full little eating area and a barbecue, and you can all set up and eat outside, and you're sheltered from the sun as well. And then here there's like a little sun shelf area to chill. Isn't this like insane? I'll take you guys into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you've got literally everything. There's your cooktop, you've got the barbecue outside, dishwasher, all of that. And then big fridge. And you've got a little bar stool area, wine bar, everything. And then in here, you've got like your drink area. So you've got like a bar situation that opens up in here. So this is the angle from right when you come into the house, what it looks like. Great big ceilings. And like I said, super quiet and chill. We're outside. It just got a lot warmer. So this is the entrance area, and then you can see the pool area.
Guys, say hi.
So this is one of the villas on the side, or one of the bunkers on the side of the villa. They have their own little terrace as well. King size bed, and then there's another chair out here. So you can actually open all this up. Like everything has floor to ceiling windows. Another little terrace. It smells really good in here. The artwork and TV and everything, and then its own private washroom with same thing, shower and a tub and a tripod. Just like I told you, they all have their cameras. So we're all coaches and we all post it. Like our life is basically social media and working from anywhere. So that's why we're able to travel like this. And then there's a closet in here also. So a huge closet. It smells really freaking good in her room. And they actually have a cleaning service that comes every single day, which I thought was so cool. So it's kind of just like you're staying in a hotel. So this is the second villa. They're literally identical. I feel like I should call them bunkers, not villas. So they're right next to each other, and then the house is right here. So you just kind of go down this little path. Again, super private, and you're like surrounded by greenery. And so this is bedroom number 4. So king size bed, a little private terrace, a little chair area, and same thing, like super private outside, which I love. Its own TV, and then there's an ensuite with a full shower and another tub as well. And you've got like your full closet area as well. So like the 3 panels, just like in our bedroom. And you can see the house back there, and then that rooftop. So this kind of gives you an idea of the full property. So this is all part of the property. You can go all the way to the front of the property where the driveway is, and it's all private. You have a security every single night too. And this is the pool area, so you can either go in through the house or you can just turn the corner. And this is the gorgeous pool. So it is deep enough to like swim normally. There's some steps here, and then you have like a privacy screen, which is so cute. And then you can see like the whole house is all open. Some little palm trees. And then there's this seating area where we were just hanging out. And so back here, you can go through this little path, and this will take you to the beach or to our bedroom. And then you've also got a super cute outdoor shower. That's our bedroom. And then if I just keep going down here, you'll go to the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour. We are loving it here. Andre, my husband, is here with me. Some of the girls are gone to the beach. Some of them are getting changed. We're probably gonna do a workout on the deck and have breakfast, but we are loving it here. This is only day 1, so we're gonna do like a full vlog and share all of the Turks and Caicos-ness with you guys. But if you like this video, if you love a good house tour, and I love doing the travel house tours, I feel like I should continue that. Yes, I wanna do one in Florida, but we will see. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and follow along on Instagram for all of the stories and all of the happenings while we're here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.